Hi there, I'm Krista. I'm one of the co founders of Objects in Order, and I'd like to welcome you to our 4-part series on publishing a digital exhibition, which follows our series on creating an exhibition. In this video, we'll talk about reviewing your exhibition in preparation for publishing. So, you already know that as you build an exhibition, you'll be previewing it along the way in preview mode. And this turns off editing and turns on interactivity. So when you're getting ready to publish, that's an ideal time for you and your base members to carefully review the full exhibition in preview mode and make any necessary adjustments. You'll want to review all your pages, check colors, spacing, and display choices, check buttons, check animations, check links. Review your header and your footer and your menu options. Let's take a look at the object checklist. Are the objects ordered correctly? If you need to rearrange anything, just go back to the object manager, update, and save. Then if we click an object and we can review the formatting of the tombstone information and the label text. And again, if you need to make any adjustments, you can just go back to your object layout and do that. You'll also want to check your media files. Are they all correct? Do you need to add titles or captions? You can also review and confirm your playback option selections. Now let's talk a little bit more about alt text. So alt text is crucial for accessibility. And alt text is added at the file level in our system. So that means either a file for an object, so that's what you're seeing here, coming from an object page, or a file for an asset in your exhibition. And you can see that we've added alt text for this object file. For each file, you can also add a caption, you can add credits, you can add rights information. And as you review your exhibition in preparation for publishing, just confirm necessary rights and permissions have been secured for all the images, audio, and video files, and for anything else that requires permission in your exhibition. Make sure that captions and credit lines are complete and correct. Now let's take a look at metadata for the exhibition. This helps facilitate search engine visibility to make your exhibition easier to find online. So under the settings tab, here you see metadata. You can update your meta description, you can add a share image, you can add information about the author or institution. You can decide how you want search engines to crawl and index your site. And at this point, prior to publishing, you might decide to select no index, no follow if you don't want the exhibition to be crawled or indexed right after publishing, just in case you need to make some additional adjustments. Then you can always come back and turn this on later. And if you need to update metadata for individual exhibition pages, just click to edit a page. Here we are editing our Explore page. We've selected metadata. We've updated the meta title, the description. We've added some keywords here. And under robots, we've selected no index, no follow. So once you and your team have reviewed everything, you'll decide when you're ready to publish the exhibition. And in the next video, we'll walk you through publishing and URL options. Thank you so much and see you next time.